This is a 2019 Discovery LXE made by Fleetwood. The model is a 40D as in David. We've owned this unit for just a hair over 2 years and put about 10,000 miles on it, and the total mileage on it is 31,201. And we have had absolutely zero issues with this unit. It's just been perfect going down the road. Has an air ride suspension, FREIGHTLINER chassis, air brakes, all the right stuff to make it ride really, really good and handle good. Great paint job. It is a paint job, it's not stick-on graphics. Being the LXE model, it is their top-of-the-line Fleetwood Discovery model. The mirrors have a camera in them, and they are adjustable and heated from inside controls. It has a very big wall slide, which entails the living room, the kitchen, and the washer and dryer. That living room window has a pull-down shade. It also has the topper for the slide. And that's a bathroom window that also has a pull-down shade for it. Very large slide. It operates flawlessly. We have had zero issues with this coach. It's just been a real joy to travel in and drive. Now this first bay is for your chassis batteries and some of your house batteries. The second bay is for the DEF tank and some more house batteries. 22.5-inch wheels. This bay here has your power cord and your water hose for your hookup, and they are on power reels. So you don't have to coil anything, just push a button, they'll reel themselves back in. This bay here is your water control systems and your filter and your dump station. This is a half open bay here. This bay here has a tray on it for half the slide or half of the cargo area. This is your AQUA hot. It is the 400D AQUA hot that runs off the diesel tank, so you never run out of hot water with this baby. There's just hot water on demand. And it also operates on electric. It also operates your furnace. This bay here has your fuses, your air chuck for airing up your tires, windshield washer fluid. The 8K diesel generator slides out from the front. This little thing right here in the windshield, that is your radar detector for lane detection, traffic in front of you if you're getting too close, and you can set all those parameters through the system. Your second slide is the dinette, the TV, fireplace, and the refrigerator. As you can see, really, really nice graphics on this, and it's all hand painted in. It's not stick-on plastic that's going to peel off on you. Okay, this bay here holds your outside refrigerator freezer that's on a tray that slides out. This next bay has a tray that slides out. This next bay is an open bay. This bay is a pegboard. In there you can hang tools and different things like that on it. This is another open bay here that also has your central vac filter system, because it does have central vacuuming in it. where you keep your hose and whatnot. Now this slide, the third slide, is the bedroom slide, and it has its own topper and side windows. This next bay is the controls for your solar panel on the roof. That's 165 watt solar power. This last bay is where you have your hydraulics for your leveling jacks. Camera up there for the rear view camera. So you have cameras on 3 sides. There's your ladder, and one of the bays is the extension so you can get up on the roof. It has the Cummins 8.9 liter diesel rated at 380 horsepower, about 1,200 pounds torque, mated to an Allison 3000 6-speed transmission with a 10,000 tow capacity. We tow our 20-foot aluminum stacker with our toys in it and don't have any problem at all. Just runs right down the road. So we'll go ahead and go over here to this front right side slide, because it has the 4th TV. A very big outside TV. Get that door open and step back a minute. Very large TV that you can tilt and pull out a little bit to get just the right viewing angle. Go ahead and go in. Now it does have a keyless entry, 2 key fobs. When you open the door, the steps come out. Now when you're parked, you can hit a button on the control panel and the steps will stay out for you. That right there, you can push a button and it extends the floor there for the passengers' better comfort. There's a little control panel there for lights and your disconnect switches. Nice leather seats that are like 8-way adjustable. Now all the windows in here have a sunshade and also a blackout shade. Right now the front shade is the sunshade. I have that down, and then there's a blackout shade, and those are power. So you just push a button over here and they go up and down for you. There's your retarder, your transmission, tilt steering wheel. There's your cruise control, wiper control, GPS, your cameras. When you turn on a left turn signal, the left camera comes on automatically, right, the right one. The default is the rear one, but you can set it up to be whatever you want. Another TV. A nice feature of these Discovery LXEs is the interior. It's wood, not plastic, not veneer. It's actually wood. So there's a lot of storage. This is a cell phone booster. This is for your leveling jacks, to lower them and then automatically level the unit. This is your technology door. There's your switch to turn on the Air TV, antenna TV. There's your Blu-ray. It does have a Dish Network setup. There's controllers for your awnings and your slide outs. Now, I don't remember if I mentioned or not, but it does have airbag suspension also. As you can see, it's very spacious inside when you have the slides out. And you can actually, with the slides in, walk all the way to the bedroom. Get your half bath, your refrigerator, without having to climb over anything. The couch is leather. It is an L couch. But when you travel and put the slides in, you can pull the cushions out, hit this little button right there, and slide the L in to get it out of the way so you can close the slides. More cabinets. This is the dinette. It slides out if you have more than 2 people, and there's matching fold-up chairs in the left front bay. Big, big TV. BOSE soundbar. That's a remote control fireplace. You can control the way the flames look, and it's also a heater. For a chilly morning, you can turn that on and it'll take the chill off. There's your residential refrigerator and freezer. It's all electric. Has an ice maker. Now the tile floor is heated, which is really nice. You can schedule it to come on a little bit before you get out of bed in the morning, where you have a nice toasty floor to walk around on. Lots of LED lighting, AC vents. It has 3 air conditioning units, a front, middle, and a rear, and you can control each zone separately through the control panel. MOEN faucet, double sink. This is your induction stovetop, 2 burners. What's cool about the induction, when you turn it on, you can actually put your hand on it. It'll heat and boil your water really quick, but it won't burn your hand if you happen to touch it. Nice tile backsplashes. Big cabinets. There's your microwave, and it's also a convection oven. Has a dishwasher. And all these appliances work flawlessly. Absolutely no problems. Here's your half bath. Same nice wood cabinets. Another control panel. It is a porcelain toilet. Nice pantry with slide-out drawers. Now this is your stackable washer and dryer. My wife loves this. When we're traveling, she could do a little bit of laundry as we go along, and then when we get home, she doesn't have 2 days worth of laundry to deal with. And the washer and dryer work great. No issues at all. Tile floor throughout. Coming into the bedroom, another TV. Another counter, a lot of drawers. Another control panel. Nice big cabinet that's lit. This cabinet over here is also lit, and it has drawers in the bottom of it. More wood cabinets. There's speakers for your BOSE system. Now this has a king-size sleep number bed, which is great. There's a button right over there that extends it out into the floor, and you can adjust the head of it to whatever tilt you want when you sleep at night. And then each has a remote control, so each side you can adjust the firmness of the mattress. And when it's all the way extended, you still have plenty of room to walk through here. It comes to about right here. Moving on to the full bath. More nice wood cabinets, big sink, another big closet, porcelain toilet that has a macerator in it. Another window, that's the sunshade. It does have a blackout shade. Exhaust fan, lots of LED lighting. Nice big tile shower. Another MOEN faucet. And it is a glass door. Another control panel. Very, very nice coach. The tile floor really sets it off, and all the LED lighting. And it has a lot of different configurations you can do with the lighting. You don't have to have them all on at the same time. Now the 3 air conditioners do just a great job. We've been in 100-degree weather, and it maintains it 70, 72 degrees with no problem at all. And when we're traveling, we'll fire up the generator and turn on the front and the middle AC unit, and that way when we stop it's nice and cool in here in the whole coach. You don't have to worry about it cooling down. The rear air conditioner is also a heat pump. The register down there, and there's several of them throughout the coach, is for the furnace, which is operated through the AQUA hot water system. So you have no propane. You don't have to worry about propane gas or fumes. Just a really, really beautiful coach inside. We've kept really good care of it. We made sure all the maintenance is done on it by professionals at CUMMINS. Camping World is down the road, and they do the winterizing and dewinterizing for us. Just been a really, really good motor coach. Now it comes with a transferable extended warranty that has a $100 deductible. Not only does it cover all the systems in the coach, but it also covers the engine and transmission. And that warranty is good until April 23rd of 2029. So it's got about another 4 years of warranty left. So far we haven't had to use it. We just haven't had any problems. It's just a great, great running coach. For information on how to purchase this beauty, give Will a call. I can be reached at 417-343-3696. We're located in Marshfield, Missouri. We have the title free and clear. Give us a call and we'll put a really good deal together for you, and you can start enjoying this coach as much as we have. Thank you for watching our video.